Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Understanding weight loss, healthy habits matter. That's the message from one local medical expert who says lasting weight loss begins with healthy lifestyle choices. Shemala Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Weight loss isn't always a sign of success. While losing weight through healthy eating and exercise can be beneficial, unexplained or rapid weight loss may point to an underlying condition such as diabetes. Doctors also warn that significant weight loss from illness or medications can lead to loose or sagging skin.
Friends tell them they look dry. That's a common phrase. Or they have the flabby arms, or their cheeks are looking gaunt, or their necks, you're seeing what they call the neck string. And for those who may want to get in a little more deeply, the breasts are beginning to sag. The tummy also, the skin is overlapping, and the lower end of the tummy as well.
As a result, some may seek medical help to restore their appearance and address these concerns.
Plastic or cosmetic surgery can be offered, but then one has to be sure that the weight loss has steadied off, because there's not much point going in to do plastic surgery and they're continuing to lose the weight. So once they have stabilized, the doctor, the specialist, in particular, dermatologist or the plastic surgeon, may very well be able to go in and tighten up.
Experts advise patients, noting that the body may take 6 to 12 months to adjust after significant weight loss. During this time, the skin and body can gradually adapt to the changes.
Watch what you eat and exercise, more regularly. And when I say watching what you eat, it's not a matter of, as a fellow put it, in an amusing way. Yes, Doc, I look at my plate. It is more in terms of the types of foods that you eat, how you eat it, and when you eat it. All those are subject to proper advice given by the dietitian, nutritionist, best given there, and their physical activity.
With your health report, I'm Shemala Pullen, wishing you good health.